Hi, my name is Victor from ViBO Music School. Today I want to talk about how to make sound with a violin. This is my violin. It has 4 strings. And this is my bow. A bow has a piece of wood and horsehair. Sound comes from vibration. When we play the violin, either by plucking or by using the bow, we are making a string vibrate. Then it creates sound. Let's hear how each string sounds. We're going to start from the highest string, which is the E string. That's the skinniest string as well. Then we go to A string. Then we go to D string. And the lowest one being the G string, which is the thickest string. The art of violin playing comes from how we use the bow to make the strings vibrate. When we use the entire bow and pull the strings really hard, we can make big sound. When we use small amount of bow and play the strings gently, we will make small and gentle sound. I love playing the violin because it expresses my feeling and cheer me up. Or it makes me feel hopeful. Come learn the violin at ViBO Music.